Hello and welcome. Merry Christmas to you all. My name is Xerox. And today, I'll be showing you an amazing trick on how to colorize pictures using AI and Photoshop. First, head straight to the website www.palette.fm. Click on Start for free now. Upload your picture here. Locate the picture and click Open. Once it uploads, choose the colorize filter type you want above here. As you can see, there are lots you can choose from. Choose the one you want and click Download, but since we're using the free plan, you can only get a very poor quality image. When you download it here, you can see the size of the original file and the size of the downloaded file, completely scaled down and poor quality. But if you want a high definition quality of the image, then you need to pay for the subscription. But don't worry, I got you covered. And this is where the magic happens. Now, after you've downloaded it, head straight to Photoshop and import the two images. You see how the second photo is small in size. Now, let's expand it. You can see the quality is very poor. Compare it to the original. You can see the huge difference in size and resolution. Right. Now let's do the magic. Make sure that the colorized imported image is selected. Then switch this to color. And there you have it. You see. Let's disable the original. Now you see its low quality. But if we engage the original, you see it's sharp, clean with high resolution. Now you can export and use it. If this video was helpful, please do leave a like and let us know what you think in the comments section. Subscribe and remember to turn on your notification bell for more videos like this. Until next time, happy creating!